How to spot a fake Denim Tears hoodie. In this video, we're gonna figure that one out. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo, and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, lifestyle, the Show Me channel. Today, we're going over this bad boy. This is gonna be one of the hottest hoodies for 2026, so it's a good idea for you guys to learn how to spot a fake one. So before we get into it, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into it. Yeah, this hoodie is made out of 100% heavy duty cotton. So when you grab it, it should feel a little bit nice and rugged. This hoodie is very stiff, not that loose at all. So if you get it and the quality just feels really weird in hand right off the bat, feels like it's made of some sort of cheap materials, that's a good sign that it's a fake. These hoodies are actually not that hard to really spot a fake. The first thing you want to really check is the little cotton print. So these things are printed on the hoodie really nicely. You can just feel them, how rubbery they are and everything. I mean, it feels like it could take a beating. And also, they're printed on and they're thick, but not too thick. Like if you see the thing just absolutely bulging out and honestly going and kind of have a lot of volume and to the point where you can like press down on it and feel like a little space of air, that's a good sign that it's a fake. Here is an example right here of real versus fake. As you can see, the authentic, it is really nice and printed and not embossed or anything, while the fake one is very thick and coming out of the hoodie way too much. The next thing I'm going to check is just more quality. Check the seams of the stitching. Like I said, it is very nice stitching, nice and tucked in. If you're grabbing this hoodie and seeing a lot of loose threads everywhere, that's a really good sign that it's a fake. All right, the next thing you're going to want to check is the inside collar tag right there, that little green tag right there. And the thing you're looking for is just the quality of the printing. You want to check for font spacing, size, and placement. Here's a good example of real versus fake. As you can see, the real one has really nice, crisp, and kind of thicker, while the fake one, as you can see, it's a lot thinner and a lot messed up with the letter placement and spacing. It's kind of a little bit all over the place. And here's a funny one. A lot of fake ones simply don't even have the green tag in there at all. As you can see right here from a fake one. Yeah, that one just has a regular sizing tag, which is weird. All right, so the next tag you want to see is the wash tag, which is towards the bottom of the hoodie right there. And you're going to want to check for the same thing as the last one, just the font sizing, the crispness of the print, the font spacing, and placement. Once again, the real ones tend to have a lot thicker and bolder text. Here is a great example of real versus fake right there. As you can see, the fake one, a lot thinner. It's very noticeable right there. If you look at the 100% cotton text, it's all sorts of messed up. And yeah, I think that's all you're really gonna need to know for like the hoodie aspect of spotting a real versus fake Denim Tears. But this one is just from my own experience, and this is to check out the seller. Ask the seller a whole bunch of questions, you know, why are you selling the hoodie? Where did you buy the hoodie? Trying to get some proof of purchase or something, and trying to come up with like a story. If the story seems a little off or a little bit mixed matched and inconsistent, it's a good sign that they could be lying to you and they're trying to sell you a fake. And yeah, I think that's all you're gonna need to know to how to spot a fake Denim Tears hoodie. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.